we're doing this because we didn't see anybody else showing this on YouTube, so we thought we might as well do one ourselves and then put the video on whether it goes good or bad. I'll probably need a Phillips too, Shell. Yeah, let's get a Phillips screwdriver and we'll pop that off. So we got to take this off, and then we got to take out down here and the other retainer up there, and then we can start going on the inside of the cap. Just gotta pause this. I think you can pause this.
You can't. It just starts the video over again.